This work by the owner of the gallery, Chief Tunde Odunlade, and his own style of work is called batik tapestry.
Okay.
It's called batik tapestry, and he titled this Eye Tonje So Kokinke. That's bird with a seed in its mouth, doesn't cry or doesn't whistle, or you just say the word of half, like having, and have notes. Like the trees here are empty, there's no fruits on them.
Okay.
And the birds they are just busy shouting. There's no food in their mouths. And here we have trees with a lot of food to eat. And the birds here have something to eat. And even their boss, their oga, oga at the top. And this side is looking healthy and colorful. So this is what we have in here. And he titled this Give the Women Chance. Give the women chance. So here we have a lady with a megaphone, like saying, give us chance, give us a say, give us chance, give us a say. And in here we have a lady like the educated one among them, with that like the authority, with the exposure, like she has the authority, and you can see this local approche, that white area. Yes, approche. Yeah, like she's saying I share to what this lady was saying. And here we have like a mother eagle shielding the eaglets, like covering, guiding the upcoming ladies.
Okay.
And here it takes two to tango.
Okay.
That is, with all this clamoring, give us chance, give us a say, women still need men to achieve that, like a collective work, that they will need to agree and disagree over some issues before they come out with like the final. So this is what we have in here. This Ogunjiro Peters 2002. Yeah, so we have a lot of it. And in here we have a little bit like a showroom where we have tongue carvings. We have tongue carvings. We have Ajire from Oshubo. We have Oni, pure Oni. We have original like pure palm oil. We have this like what's it called, like flower wax made from bottle.
Bottles of wine, right?
Yes, bottles of wine.
Yeah, I saw the DIY.
This artist, she doesn't believe in waste, like throwing stuff.
Recycling things.
Yeah, she does of recycling. So that's what we have in there. And this work, this piece of work is taken from, I don't know if you've watched this movie before, Shawari Day.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Oba Jogbo Palace. This is where that old man used to say, I'm singing, you're my lady, you're my lady. So this is what we have there. So this is a shepherd. We have different artworks also. This titled Inner Beauty. This is like a lady doing washing, she's doing laundry. These two heads are better than one. These are all these African pictures, if I can say. And there is a transition from military to civilian. And here also we have wearable arts. We have earrings made from Ankara. We have hairband. We have bangles. We have slippers made from Ankara and all stuff. This is also metal sculpture. This is a bull head made from bolts and spark plug. So that work is titled Aworola, and this one is titled Beautiful Air, Dara Dara. And this is titled Retreat. This is titled Motherhood. This is also one of Baba's work. He titled this World Wide Web.
Okay.
World Wide Web. That's WW. In here, he's trying to talk about 5 continents. Though we all know we have 7 continents, but he's not trying to do away with the remaining 2 continents. But the message he's trying to pass in here is that all the continents are intertwined. That they can't do without each other. Or just say like a global world. It's like a global world. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are intertwined.
Okay.
And this one is titled Bon Voyage, like a safe trip, ship on the water. And this work by Leo Lawrence also. This work by Atayi Robiagodo. This titled Mature Scene. This like high institution settings. This area waiting they play. This is a lady Warri Pikin.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is Warri Pikin. Now this is a work made from gravel. These are gravels by Lady Tunde Odunlade Art Gallery. And we have some of our works here, like that boy there, that boy there, the gravels. And here we have one of Baba's work also. This in Yoruba call it Olaitanxo Kakioba,
Okay.
or just say a trumpeter. This is where finger, this is the base where the sound of the trumpet comes out.
Okay.
So this one we have in here. We have Tupac. And this is one of Tunde Odunlade Art work also. The lady that works with gravel. And this also Baba's work. Its title is Bottled Up Anger. Bottled up anger. So in here we have like a small bottle, but now the bottle is getting longer, wider, longer, wider, to get to a state like I can't take this shit anymore. This is what we have in there. And these are works by the man that makes crown for these Yoruba obas.
Okay.
So we have crown, we have this crown, we have bag, we have this bag also, we have
Are
shoes.
these for sale?
Everything in here are for sale except the building and people in it.
Okay.
So every other thing are for sale. We have books. These are some of the tongue carvings. This is metal sculpture. This is a farmer. This you can see is cutlass, bowl, and baskets with fruit. So these are wood carvings also. And upstairs we have an exhibition going on.
Right now?
Yes, which
Going up from here, the narrator had to go attend to some other people, and I was left to wander around on my own. So this is some obvious work of Mr. Tunde Odunlade. They're so beautiful. You can see people around getting ready for the present event they were holding. These artworks are so beautiful. You really need to see them in person to understand how beautiful they are. And this scenery back here is a very, very beautiful one. This is the look from upstairs and downstairs and back upstairs. I especially love that artwork. It has writings on it. I love this too. This is so beautiful too. I love this too. So this is me going. I had a very, very beautiful time looking at this artworks. They're so beautiful. You know, I really felt at home here. I took a lot of beautiful pictures. And you know, I was just marveling at the creativity that brought these things to be. And I'm just in awe of their awesomeness. It's so beautiful. If you're in Art Gallery, you should really come check this place out. Thank you for watching.